In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up item scoped dimensions in Google Analytics 4. Item scoped custom dimensions let you analyze attributes of individual products like color, size, or brand across your e-commerce events. They differ from event scope dimensions because they attach to each item in the items array, so you can break down revenue, purchases, and carts by those product details. Start by opening analytics.google.com and make sure you're in the correct GA4 property. If you manage multiple accounts, glance at the property selector at the top to confirm you're editing the right place. Next, go to the admin area using the gear icon in the lower left. In the admin screen, look for the data display section. Inside there, choose custom definitions. This is where GA4 lets you register the dimensions you want to use in reports. Click create custom dimension. Give your dimension a clear, human readable name. Pick something your team will recognize at a glance, like item color or product material. Consistent names make reporting much easier later. Add a short description. Use this space to explain what the value represents and where it comes from. For example, color attribute from the e-commerce items array. Good descriptions help collaborators avoid confusion and duplicate setups. For scope, select item. This tells GA4 the value belongs to each product within an event, not to the overall event or the user. With item scope, you can, for example, see which colors drive the most add to carts or revenue. Now provide the item parameter. Enter the exact parameter name your site or app is sending inside the items array, such as item color, item brand, or variant. The name must match the incoming data exactly, including case and underscores, so double check your implementation or developer documentation. If the parameter isn't being collected yet, get that added first. GA4 can only report on parameters it actually receives. Avoid spaces or special characters and stick with a stable name you won't need to change later. When everything looks correct, click Save. From this point forward, GA4 will begin processing that item parameter as a dimension you can use in explorations, custom reports, and comparisons. Data isn't retroactive, and it can take up to a day to fully appear in standard reports, so give it a little time. If you don't see values after new events come in, verify that the parameter is present inside the items array of events like view item, add to cart, and purchase. That's it. You've registered an item scoped custom dimension, making your product level analysis in GA4 far more powerful and precise.